You feel the swiftly moving water. Oh! That was the first part that was deeper than nut level. That is a great shot. Oh, jeez!
Oh my gosh!
These rock formations in the Slot Canyon is amazing. The Narrows at Zion National Park in Utah is simply legendary. The experience is challenging, but uniquely exhilarating as hikers carefully step through chilly waters surrounded by breathtaking canyon walls. Are you up for it? With proper preparation, this liquid trail can be for just about anyone. This video will prepare you for the trek as we outline precursory steps and give a glimpse into the stunning scenery that awaits. While you can bring equipment with you, we found renting from Zion Outfitters to be terribly convenient, saving luggage space and eliminating unnecessary purchases. Zion Outfitters is found within the Zion Canyon Village, located just outside of the park entrance. From May through September, the store's summertime package is recommended, providing boots, socks, and a hiking stick. Waterproof backpacks are also available to rent, but we were able to purchase great waterproof bags for the same price as renting. Although you can pick up your equipment the morning of your hike, we elected to pick them up the evening before from 4 to 8 p.m. There's short-term parking next to the outfitters we use while checking out the equipment. While you can reserve equipment, they have such a large inventory there that it's rarely necessary. On your body, dry fit clothing gets you comfortable quicker, and water bottles can hang from your bag strap. Understanding the eventual crowds, we shook the sheets early on the morning of our hike. We filled up our Marchway floating waterproof dry bags that we purchased on Amazon. I packed flip-flops to wear after the hike, ample snacks, spare GoPro batteries and my license, cell phone for GPS tracking and pics, and a pair of sunglasses. We packed up the waterproof bag and took water bottles and sunscreen separate. We put on our neoprene socks and canyoneering boots as we headed out. Next was to get sustenance in our bodies and our butts to the trailhead. We stayed in Springdale, just 1 mile from the park entrance, and elected to walk to the park entrance prior to the 7 a.m. Springdale Shuttle start time. This worked out well for us as we visited an early opening breakfast spot on the way. Please check out our breakfast, lunch, and dinner Springdale video for details on places to eat in town. And if you need to fill up your water bottle, there are places to fill up on the way to the park. There are 2 entrances to the park, one for cars and one for pedestrians. Once in the park, we headed to the first Zion shuttle stop. Our destination was the last shuttle stop 9, Temple of Sinawava. This is where the Riverside Walk would lead us to the Virgin River and the awe-inspiring trek known as the Narrows. It gets very crowded during peak summer months, which I believe are still the best times to maximize your enjoyment. If you choose to tackle the Narrows in colder months, however, there are dry suit rentals available at the outfitters. neoprene socks and everything, it's not meant to keep you dry. It's meant to keep you warm. And so as we got our initial splash into the water, we noticed that. How are the boots?
They're much better than I thought. But yeah, that was a definite, that's a good purchase. Good decision.
I think having these poles is also another critical part to it. It really helps with the balance and stuff. There's lots of rocks in there, uneven surfaces you don't see, and it really is. It's like having a third leg. All right. Okay, that little spot stayed above nut level for me, so. I'm a bit concerned about highway parking now.
Ouch. It's cold.
This is one of the spots where you feel the swiftly moving water. It makes it a little bit tougher. Oh. That was the first part that was deeper than nut level. Jeez! Why did I? Oh, this is not a good decision.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Look on my tippy toes.
That's called inch water.
What does that mean?
Shrinkage, it gets to be an inch.
Okay.
headed back. These rock formations in the Slot Canyon is amazing. We are enjoying a little bit more sun and a little bit more heat. And actually, when you're in the water, the current is pushing you along instead of working against you. Now? Why didn't you go when you had a chance?
What? When did I have a chance?
When there's water above waist deep.
I'm not swimming like feet all the way back.
Woo! Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.